Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next problem. Problem having been chosen from the same book, Modern Physics by Stephen T. Thornton and Andrew Rex. As usual, we first come to its statement. Okay. Statement is a helium nucleus has a mass of 4.001505 U. U means atomic mass unit. What is its binding energy? Okay, we have to find out the binding energy. Dear students, statement of the problem is of the nature that this problem is basically related to nuclear physics. Okay, but in addition to nuclear physics, it is also related to relativity. Okay, so we can say that two in one package. Okay, relativity as well as nuclear physics. Okay, a helium nucleus has a mass of 4.001505 U. U means atomic mass unit. What is its binding energy? Yes, friends, now we are going to its solution, but before going to its solution in a formal manner, we have to introduce a few snapshots. Okay, how many snapshots? About four, and then small introduction about helium is also included from Wikipedia. Okay, so first snapshot is about binding energy theory, philosophy or theory. Actually, this snapshot has been chosen from the book University Physics by Young Friedman. Okay, binding energy of a nucleus with Z protons and neutrons. EB, where EB is binding energy of a nucleus with Z protons and neutrons, is equal to Z into M capital H, where capital H is written as a subscript of capital M. Z is the atomic number, mH is the mass of hydrogen atom, plus N, capital M, N into small m where small m is written as a subscript of small m. Here capital N is neutron number, while Mn is neutron mass, minus Az capital M into c square. Okay, where Az capital M is mass of neutral atom containing nucleus, and c is the speed of light in vacuum, which is equal to 931.5 million electron volt over U. Okay, dear students, second snapshot is about basic masses, in which charge and mass are given of proton, neutron and electron. Okay, these values will also be used. Okay, this is for proton, it is mass is 1.007276 atomic mass unit. For neutron it is 1.008665 atomic mass units, and for electron it is 5.486 into 10 to power minus 4 atomic mass units. Okay, next snapshot is a table of physical constants, in which various constants have been given. This table is also helpful. Here One atomic mass unit is equal to 931.5 MeV over c square. Electron mass equal to this, proton mass equal to this, neutron mass equal to this. Okay. Anyhow, whichever value will be used, we will consult this table. Okay. Next table is also to some extent a sub table of the above table. Okay. Some masses in energy units. Okay. Entity mc square million electron volt, electron, hydrogen atom, proton, neutron, one atomic mass unit. Now next to this there is some introduction or some basic knowledge about helium. Okay, this has been selected from Wikipedia. Okay, helium is composed of two electrons bound by the electromagnetic force to a nucleus containing two protons along with two neutrons depending on the isotope held together by the strong force. Okay, two electrons, two protons, two neutrons. Okay, two protons, two electrons, two protons, two neutrons, helium configuration. Okay, we know that. Now we are going to solution in a proper manner. Okay, we know that binding energy is given as binding energy EB, where B is written as the subscript of capital E, is equal to 2 into. Dear students, here we have said that helium contains two proton and two neutron. Okay, so binding energy EB is equal to 2mp, where P is written as a subscript of M, plus 2mn, where N is written as a subscript of M, minus M helium, mass of helium, into whole c square. Okay, where c is the speed of light. This implies that binding energy EB will be equal to 2 into, from where we have taken this value, from table, plus 2 into this, from where we have taken this value, value from table, which has been shown in snapshots, as a snapshot. Okay, this value, however, this value is given in the statement. Okay, three values, we have put three values in this expression, out of which two values have been taken from a table which has been shown as a helping tool, as a snapshot. Okay, while a third value has been taken from the problem. Okay, this has been provided in the statement. Okay, however, still we have not disturbed c square. C square is as it is. Okay, in the next step we have simplified. Simplified means we have multiplied it with 2, plus we have multiplied with 2 and written the same. Okay, in the next step we have simplified. Okay, because u is with all the three values, so our result will be in u. However, when we add first two values and subtract the third value from it, then our result becomes 0.030377 atomic mass unit into c square. This becomes equal to this. Now we have put the value of c square. Okay, this value of c square is given in two different tables. Okay, one table of physical constants which is large enough, and second table was a sub table of the large table. Okay, anyhow, now we have put value of c square as 931.5 million electron volt over u. This u will be cancelled with u, and our result will become equal to 28.296 million electron volt. What is this? This is binding energy. Okay, so this is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.